Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you 7 survival hacks using a Swiss Army knife and a plastic bottle. Take a plastic bottle filled with water. Take the needle from your Victorinox, which is located behind the corkscrew. Use the needle to make several holes near the bottom of the bottle. Loosen the cap slightly so that water flows out through the holes. This way, I've made a wash basin that uses very little water. To stop the water, simply tighten the cap. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle and pour some water into it. I put a small magnet in the hook tool of my Swiss Army knife, and I recommend that you do the same. Take the magnet and the needle. Run the magnet over the needle several times to magnetize it. Take a dry leaf and place it in the water. Put the magnetized needle on top of it. Because the needle has been magnetized, one end points north and the other points south. So we now have a compass. The direction of the needle matches the compass on my smartphone perfectly. Even if I turn the needle and the leaf with my hand, the needle still returns to the correct position. Take a small branch and saw off one end so that it is flat. Make a notch in the middle of the stick. Make another notch at an angle. Now take a plastic bottle and cut off the neck, leaving only the straight cylindrical part. Insert the knife into the angled notch as I'm showing you. Insert the bottle into the second notch and cut it so that it forms a strip. Pull on the strip. This gives us several meters of very strong plastic cord. It is very smooth and has the same width along its entire length. You can use this cord to fasten wooden structures and other constructions. Plastic from bottles has an interesting property. It shrinks when heated. Even if you haven't tightened the cord very well, it will shrink when heated, making the connection extremely strong. This strip easily supports my weight. If you need an extra strong rope, take 3 plastic strips and braid them into a single rope, as I'm about to show you. It's just like braiding hair. At the end, tie a knot and heat it with a lighter to secure it. The result is an incredibly strong rope that can withstand heavy loads. Take a bottle and cut off the neck. Take another bottle and cut off its neck as well, but make it shorter than the first one. Insert one bottle neck into the other. Heat it with a lighter so that the plastic shrinks and forms a strong, watertight seal. You now have a small container with a lid that you can use to store things. You can make holes in the lid with an awl. Pour salt inside, and you'll have a small salt shaker that you can carry in your backpack. To keep the salt from spilling out, take another lid without any holes. When you need to use the salt shaker, simply switch the lids. Now I'll show you how to make a loud whistle from a plastic bottle in just a couple of minutes. Cut out a small piece of plastic with a knife. Use scissors to cut out a strip. Divide it into one long section and one short section. Bend them as I'm showing you. twist the other end. Cut off the excess. To use the whistle, cover the holes on the sides with your fingers. And now I'll show you how to open a padlock using a plastic bottle. For this demonstration, I'll use a transparent padlock so that you can see what's happening inside. It's an ordinary padlock. It simply has a transparent body. Take a bottle and cut out a small piece of plastic. Turn this piece into 2 small strips. Insert 1 strip into the lock from one side. Move the strip toward the locking mechanism. You should move aside. Do the same thing from the other side. The lock is open. That was very easy. Like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.